Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove this front light from a Skoda Octavia 2 from 2010. And with a prying tool from the front of it, just lightly start moving everything, and now we have access to the light bulbs. And to get everything out, one screw here and one screw here, and this should fall off. So let me do that. So screws are removed, and now this thingy probably just has some clips somewhere. Yeah, and it's slowly coming out. But you will find something on it that you should never find in a car, and that is rat poison and rat poo, which kind of sucks. But this was a company car and they had an infestation and they dealt with it in a weird way. Yikes. And obviously if you want to fully get it out, you just pull on these clips at the sides and you yank it out. To get this thing back in place, you obviously plug in the connector, it clicks in place, lift it in here, and then now, and put in the two Phillips screws. Opened the door to make sure everything is working because the lights timed out. Now we put this protection lens in here, slowly push on both sides, and it's locked in place. Great. And that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.